Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create velocity editing on Capcut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to open up the project I have just created on Capcut. But wait guys. Okay, this is the project I have just created, and I have added a video to this project. I'm going to create velocity editing using this video. Okay, and to make the process faster, I'm going to cut the video. Wait. Okay, and to create velocity editing, of course, we need an audio, and I'm going to add audio from the Capcut library. I'm going to click on audio and then select sounds, and I'm going to go to the beat category. Wait, I'm going to select beats. Okay, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, click on the plus icon to add the audio to our project. And now it's time to add velocity effect. I'm going to click on my video, and then I'm going to select the effect, and we can go to the style and wait. We can go to the velocity, and here we can add velocity effect to our video. Okay, you can choose flash velocity, or if you have premium on Capcut, you can choose the other velocity. There are blur shake, fade blur, retro, and rainbow. And we can choose flash if we haven't subscribed to Capcut. Okay, now the velocity is being applied to my video, and we just need to wait until the process completed. Okay, now the velocity effect has been created guys. The velocity is created based on the audio beat, and as you can see that the audio beat has been added automatically, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create velocity editing on Capcut mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.